Let's create the dollar money engraved effect in Photoshop. But not only that, we will also place it and make a full dollar bill with it. With both these images already imported in Photoshop, let's get started. First, let's select the subject. Press Ctrl or Command plus J to get the selection on the new layer. Also, while choosing an image for this effect, try not to get a face close-up image as it might be difficult to fit. Now, hide the original image and with new layer active, press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus U to desaturate it. Now, convert it to Smart Object. Then we will create a new document of 1500 width and height, resolution to 150 and background to white. Now let's copy the image smart object and paste it to this new document. Let's resize and position it. Now duplicate it and hide the main one. Here is what nobody does to make it more detailed. Now with the duplicate layer active, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and change the radius to 5 and press OK. And save this as a displacement file which we will use a little later in this. Now hide the duplicate image and here we will create the effect. So create a solid color adjustment layer, change the value of bead to 50 which will give this gray shade and press OK. And then convert this to a smart object. Now go to Filter, Filter Gallery and in that go to Sketch. Select halftone pattern, change the size to 1, contrast to 50, pattern type to line and press OK. Now again go to Filter, Distort, Wave and in that change the value of number of generators to 1, minimum and maximum values of wavelength to 155, 160, amplitude to 2050, scale of both to 100%, type sign, undefined areas, select repeat edge pixels. Then we will duplicate the layer with Ctrl Command plus J, invert with Ctrl Command plus I and rasterize it. Now click on one of the handles and then right click to select rotate 90 degrees clockwise and enter a return to apply. After that we will unhide the image and put it below the pattern layers. And then we will change the pattern layers blend mode to overlay which shows the engraved pattern on the image. Now let's add the displacement filter with one of the pattern layers active, also making sure that both are smart objects. Click on the filter, distort, displace and keep the values of both scales between 10 to 15 and make sure the below selected options are like this. Press OK. It will open the new window to select the displacement map. Now select the displacement file we saved earlier. What this will do is it create the curves on the pattern based on the displacement file in which we have saved the blur image. Do the same to the other pattern layer. Now clip these pattern layers to the image so the border looks defined. After this we will create the dashed background as it is in the dollar image. For this we'll have to repeat the same steps for the pattern except adding the waves filter. So let's do it quickly. After that, change the blend mode of the top layer to linear one and keep it normal for the bottom layer. Select both of them and reduce their opacity to 60 to 70%. Now select all these 5 layers and convert them into a smart object. Rename it and then copy it. Go to the dollar bill tab, paste it here and let's hide our image for now. The link of this dollar bill image is in description. The displacement map creates curves like you see here in the original image. And also we have created the dashed background similar to this image in the dollar bill. Now let's add this image to the dollar bill and also we'll change the name below it. For that let's rasterize this dollar bill image if it's a smart object. Then select the smudge tool and with soft round brush smudge this name. Now make a selection of the image in frame. And with Alt option pressed, click on the mask to hide that part. Now let's unhide our image, resize and position it to fit in this part, making sure it's in the center. To enhance this, double-click on the thumbnail of the smart object to open it. Drag the tab out to float it and then add a solid color adjustment layer at the top. Select a dark color from the dollar bill and press OK. Change its blend mode to screen and save it. Now let's add the text. Let's write the name. For this, we'll be using Legal Tender font. Link is in the description. Select the same color again. Click this wrap text option. Select style as arc and change the bend value to around 15 to 20. Then resize it and place it on the name ribbon. And here it is, the dollar money engraved effect on the image placed on the dollar bill. If you're watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment which effect should we create next. Also follow me on my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.